Welcome to Bigs! Welcome to Bigs! Good news, Albayanos, dahil ang isa sa pinagmamalaking kainan na tatak Bicolano ay nasa Kamalig, Albay na. You want to experience good food, good ambience, and the most scenic restaurant in Bicolandia? Aside from its Instagrammable two-story structure, Bigs Kamalig offers you the best view of Mayon. Celebration of 40th anniversary of Bigs, we have a little bit of fun along the way. Now it's big time with your host, Tony Lancero, ang mama's vlogger ng Camarines World and your media master host. And this is Bigs Kamalig. Mabilis lang manalo, just answer one trivia question from Bigs and that one lucky winner will get a chance to win 60 pesos worth of gift certificate from Bigs. Mga tagasan po kayo?
Kamalig lang.
Santo Domingo po.
Dito lang po sa
Lagua, Kamsur.
Mga tagasan yung mga gagandang ladies natin ngayon?
I'm from Giribatan.
Legazpi.
Daraga.
Kamalig.
Giribatan na.
Ligaw.
From Camarines, dumayo pa talaga from Bigs, ha? Okay, thank you so much for patronizing Bigs po. First time nyo po din sa Bigs Kamalig?
Second time.
Kalawang beses.
First time. First time lang po.
First time nyo dito sa Bigs Kamalig? Musta naman po yung experience nyo?
Okay naman so far.
So far, so good.
Last year.
Okay naman, sobrang lamig dito.
Oo nga, sobrang lamig nga dito. How about the interior, sir? Musta naman po?
Sobrang maganda yung pagka-architecture.
Actually, mas parang siya ang biggest Bigs dito sa Boston.
Oh, may alam na trivia si Mama. Yes, ma'am, ito yung biggest brands ng lahat. Parang dapat talaga yun ang natin question na. So ngayon, ma'am, in connection with the 40th anniversary of Bigs po, ma'am, nagkakaroon po kami ng trivia game. In every question, masasagot nyo tama, we will give you 50 pesos gift certificate from Bigs. Kakasaba kayo sa challenge? Kakasa po kayo sa challenge? Kakasaba po ba sa challenge? Kakasa po kayo sa challenge? Kakasa po kayo sa challenge? Isipan. Mag-iisipan. Game na game! Game na game? Game na game!
Kakasang?
Oh, ready na po kayo, ma'am? Ready! What is the side dish of Bigs Korean spare ribs? Final answer na?
Kimchi! Kimchi!
Final answer?
Kimchi! Hindi ba?
Final answer?
Kimchi!
Kimchi, that is? Your answer, kimchi, that is? Correct! Correct! Feeling ko siya mananalo na ata ng 50 pesos. Para sa lahat ng ako. Congratulations po. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Alam na naman ni Sir. 50 pesos. Dito mo, 50 pesos. Ano sabihin sa list natin dyan? Maraming salamat! Thank you so much na sa camera. This is your question, ma'am. What is the biggest burger of Bigs? Tower Burger? Final answer na?
Tower Burger.
Final answer?
Tower Burger.
Okay, Tower Burger, that is correct! Congratulations po! Palakpakan na ako natin. You win 50 pesos gift certificate. This is your question. What year was Bigs established? Makikita nyo kung kahit saan, ma'am. Ano po sagot? 1983! Hindi ko muna rin ano po sagot? 1983. Final answer, sir? Final answer, ma'am?
1983.
Final answer? 1983. 1983, that is correct! Palakpakan naman po natin yan. You won 50 pesos certificate from Bigs. 50 pesos worth of gift certificate from any branch of Bigs. So this is my question. Okay, give at least one healthy meals of Bigs. Marami yan sa'yo. Ibigay lang ako isa.
Sizzling tofu na lang.
Salad nila. So, congratulations po. Your sizzling tofu, that is correct. Palakpakan naman tayo, sir. Okay, sir. You won 50 pesos. Gift certificate from Bigs. Palakpakan naman po natin dyan. Give at least one hero products of Bigs. Ulitin po natin. Give at least one hero products of Bigs. Isa lang mo, ma'am.
Iced tea?
Chicken.
Chicken burger.
Chicken or burger? Final answer, sir?
Chicken na lang, chicken.
Okay. Chicken or burger, sir, kahit andun, sir, parehas mo tama. Correct! Congratulations po. Palakpan naman natin, baby. Correct! Yay! Palakpan naman natin yan. Congratulations si ma'am. You won 50 pesos po. Ikaw sa lips. What is the composition of the Bicol Special? Bicol Special po, may tatlo po yun. Sige po, ano yung isa? Pork chop. Pork chop. Ano yung partner po nun? Hindi mawawala sa pagkain. Pork chop, laing, and...
Rice.
Pork chop, laing, and rice. Correct! Okay, congratulations. Palapakan naman po tayo dyan. Nandito kayo, ma'am, nung grand opening po ng Bigs.
Yes po.
Oh, kasi taga dito lang naman si ma'am. So yung question natin, ma'am, is related lang no opening ng Bigs. Kasi nabanggit ito during the opening. This is your question, ma'am. How many branches does Bigs have as of today? Ilang Bigs na po yung meron po tayo as of today po?
21?
21? Final answer si ma'am?
Yes, final answer.
Final answer. 21, that is correct. Congratulations. Palakpakan naman po natin, ma'am. Ma'am, you won 50 pesos gift certificate from Bigs. What food is named after one of the founders of Bigs? Ulitin po namin, ma'am. Pwede niyo pong sagutin lahat.
Yeah.
What food is named after one of the founders of Bigs? Nandito lang po yan sa lahat.
Nina's Harvest.
Final answer po.
Final answer.
Nana's Harvest, that is correct. Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Okay po, ma'am. You won 50 pesos po.
Can I claim it already?
Yes po, pwede nyo i-claim po ngayon at any branch of Bigs po. Okay, ma'am. Dahil birthday po si ma'am, bibigyan po namin another request. Yung sobrang bilis. Pa-birthday na po ito ng Bigs sa inyo, ma'am. Siyempre si ma'am yung sasagot nito, ma'am. Okay, very mabilis lang ito, ma'am. Makikita nyo po ito lang sa mga design ng Bigs. Okay, who is the icon of Bigs?
Elvis Presley.
Elvis Presley. Final answer, ma'am? Final answer po. Sir Bigs, final answer, ma'am? Elvis Presley?
Yes.
Para nakita niyo yun. Final answer, Elvis Presley. That is correct. Happy birthday, ma'am. You won 50 pesos from Bigs. Name at least one cake desserts of Bigs. Kahit isa lang, sir.
Carrot cake.
Final answer, sir? Carrot cake or berries cake. Bigo isa lang yung ibibigay pero dalawa yung ibigay ni sir. Okay? Carrot cake or berries cake. That is correct. Congratulations, sir. Palakpan naman natin sila. Nanalo po kayo ng 50 pesos worth of from Bigs. So, palakpan mo naman tayo doon. This is your question. What is the side dish of our Bigs one-piece chicken with rice?
Achara?
Final answer, ma'am?
Sure naman.
Achara?
Yeah.
Achara, that is correct. Palakpan naman po natin yan, ma'am. Yung ma'am, congratulations, ma'am. You won 50 pesos.
Thank you.
Gift certificate from Bigs. This is your question. Give at least one fish product of Bigs. Yung fish product, ma'am, kahit isa lang nabigay nyo po. Meron po tayong tatlo, pero nabigay lang naman isa.
Daing na bangus.
Final answer na. Una sa ikaw. Final answer, ma'am?
Daing na bangus.
That is correct. Correct. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Yay!
Ma'am, you won 50 pesos worth of gift certificate from Bigs. This is your question. What do you call the famous house blend tea of Bigs? Ulitin mo natin. What do you call the famous house blend tea of Bigs?
Rock and roll iced tea.
Rock and roll. Final answer, ma'am? Oh, final answer po. Rock and roll iced tea, that is correct. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. You won 50 pesos gift certificate. 50 pesos na parang makalaw po natin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our spicy chicken is called
Cajun chicken.
Cajun chicken.
Cajun chicken.
Spicy chicken. Anong tawag mo din sa spicy chicken? Cajun chicken. Final answer, ma'am?
Yes.
Final answer. Cajun chicken, that is correct. Congratulations. Palakpakan naman po natin si ma'am. Palakpakan naman po. Pag you won 50 pesos ng from Bigs.
Thank you.
ang tawag po dun sir is Cajun chicken. What is the English term of goto?
Orange.
Final answer?
Opo, orange.
Porridge is correct! Congratulations! Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir. Okay po. Sir, yung 150 pesos po. Sino po kayo, Sir? Ano pong ginagawa niya? Bakit niya pinili ang weeks? Ang daming question, di ba?
Bali, una sa lahat ako si Kiting ng Reyna.
Motovlogger niya ata, Sir.
Member ng motovlogger. Tapos, napunta dito sa Bigs kasi pupunta kami ng Legazpi sana. Ika ako parang sarap mag-chillers muna bago pumunta ng Legazpi. Kaya ayaw, umorder muna ako ng Mega Shake.
Ay, wow! Paborito ko din yan sa yung mango shake ko ng Bigs po. And thank you for part of 19 Bigs po. And syempre sa lahat ng mga motovloggers dyan, ang ganda ng daanan itong Bigs natin kasi nasa kanto ng bypass road sa Kamali.
Ang ganda pa ng view.
So, shout out din po sa inyo mga ano po natin, yung mga followers po natin niya sa Pitik ni Ryan po, tama po?
Kiting ng Reyna.
Okay po. Ano po yung shout out po?
Shoutout po sa lahat ng followers ng Kiting ng Reyna. So, sa lahat ng sumusupport sa page ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi dahil sa inyo, walang Kiting ng Reyna.
Okay, thank you so much po sa lahat po ng mga followers po ng Pitik ni Rider po natin. So ngayon, this is the question. So ready na po kayo?
Ready na po.
Ready na. Ready for the question, ma'am? Okay. Big deal is consists of... Yung mga kasama po sa big deal, ano po yun? Alam niyo po yun, ma'am? Big deal is consists of...
May spaghetti na may pork kebab.
Chicken, pork kebab, spaghetti.
That is correct. Okay, pala pa ka na lang muna kasi sila dyan sa Okay, ma'am. You want 50 pesos from Big. So, thank you, Jigs.
Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat.